Alright, today we're going to be working on this car. Now this car's been dead for, let's say, all winter. And it's about time to finally get her running, hopefully. It's my 2005 Mazda RX8. This car has no juice in it. It's dead. It's a manual, 6-speed, worked fine last summer. A few things that I figured out that's wrong with the car. Now starting over here under the hood. Had it covered up just a sec. But the engine is fine. I believe there's still compression in this, so it should be fine. What I'm going to be working on is changing my coils, wires, and spark plugs. So to do that, I need to get rid of intake and all that stuff right here to get access to everything down there. Okay, but before we get started onto working on anything, just introduce my car a little bit. So it was working fine last summer. Something happened at the end of the year. I just had it parked. My cat was clogged. I gutted my cat. I had issues with ignition, but other than that, the front bumper is off. It's up there, and I have this vinyl and stickers everywhere. Those are my headlights. Come around to the side of the car, logos, this decoration everywhere, and same on this side. Car is really dirty. It has not been touched all winter, so it's about 6 months-ish of caked on dust. That's a lot. Now coming back into here, this is what we've been working on today. So first, gotta remove intake. Start off with the sensors in the front. Okay, now that the intake is out of the way, now we got a better look at the coils, which are just down here. There's 4 of them. I just need to get this guy out of the way. And then the wires and stuff. Put you guys back up here and we'll take this part out. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using to put everything back together. So firstly, I'm using NGK spark plugs. So I have a set leading and trailing. Then I have NGK wire set. Lastly, for the coils, I got these ones from NP Boosted. So I'm gonna be putting all these in and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully they all work out fine. Alright, hopefully this angle is not too bad to see. To remove these, we just need to, there's 4 bolts at the corner coil, which can be a little tricky to get. I'll start with the first one now, hopefully not break anything. This car has been parked all winter, so it's ideal for starting the car, letting things warm up a little bit, just so the road and stuff can be work with. But unfortunately, I do not have that option, so I'll flip them and get them loose. Got one coil loose. This first one is kind of pain. Got that one loose. Oh, by the way, this is a 10mm screw, or 10mm socket speed. So you just hold it in and get a better view. So last 2, like these are the bolts down here. Right there. Last 2, I'll try to figure that out off camera. I'll just put on time lapse. Yeah. I'm just gonna take out the first 2. Actually, first let's start with the clips that need to come out first. Since I don't know when the last time they've been taken out, this might be a pain. Definitely a pain. For now, let's see if we can loosen it up and make that any easier for ourselves. Just get rid of the wire first. Probably should have started with that, because we have a little bit more room. Off the harness. That's an absolute pain. I'm gonna try some other things, see if I can get it off. Honestly, that wasn't so bad. Just needed to use some kind of leverage to push it off. Now let's get the other. I guess we'll start with the wires first, because that made it a little bit easier. Gives a little bit more room to work with. I'll put this on time lapse for the rest of it. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. 4 of them out. The order does not matter on how they go in or how they come out. That's my brother working on his car. So the old ones, they have spots on them which just show like they're pretty old, pretty beat. Definitely needed to be replaced. And I had misfiring issues right before I stopped, or right before I parked. So as you can see, all of them are definitely been beat, definitely been used. So it's about time that I get them replaced. It's gonna take a minute to like just clean up that area behind the coils, and then I'll start putting the new ones in. Now these go in the same way that they came out. You clip it in right here with that same clip, bolt them in, and you reuse the same bolts that you took off from your car. Just gonna show you guys how to put one of them in for now, and then I'll put the other ones off camera. I'll put in number 2. This one's the easiest one to get. So you clip it in right here. Once it's clipped and you wait for that click, just place it on the bolt. You may have to angle it. Probably would have been easier to put it in first before you put it in. And that's kind of it. And you just bolt it down and hand tighten it first, and give it a little bit extra with a ratchet. But you don't want to go too hard because you can crack these. And I still need to do the wires, and I still need to get to my spark plug. So I'm not going to put anything on right now, but I'll show you when I get there.